Good evening, viewers. Welcome to this edition of the news. A quick look at the headlines. Tri-Service Conference Parivartan Chintan chaired by Chief of Defence Staff General Anil Chauhan being held in New Delhi. Work is going for opening of expansion joints, says Chairman cum Managing Director MEECL Sanjay Goyal. Senghasi Molai organised Kashatsukman Same at Molai Mauro. An annual Sukra festival in Jaintia Hills concluded. And now the news in detail. Parivartan Chintan, a pioneering tri-service conference aimed at generating new and fresh ideas, initiatives and reforms to propel jointness and integration efforts, is being held in New Delhi today. Chief of Defence Staff General Anil Chauhan is chairing the day-long discussions. It is the first ever conference of the heads of all tri-services institutions, the Department of Military Affairs, Headquarters Integrated Defence Staff and the three services. Officers from varied service brackets, through their diverse understanding and experience, will recommend measures to achieve the desired joint and integrated end state with celerity. The Umam Dam was built way back in 1965, and since then there has been a lot of concern over the safety of the structure, forcing the government to go for rehabilitation work which started in December. The process of replacing the bearings of the bridge started last Sunday on 31st March 2024. Speaking about the exercise, Chairman cum Managing Director of the Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited MEECL Sanjay Goyal said that with the blockade period which started on Sunday, now the work is going for opening of the expansion joints, after which the process of putting jacks and raising the structure will be carried out.
Certain works which includes the opening of the expansion joints, for which basically the blockade was taken. Now we will be now taking the process of putting the jacks and raising the structure for replacement of the bearings. It's a technical process and requires careful studies of the structure as well as the timings of taking up this activity, and we are on the track, and hopefully we should be doing it within the time frame which we have fixed for ourselves.
The Senghasi Molai has organized a dance festival popularly known as Kashatsukman Same, or the Dance of Peaceful Heart, at the dancing ground in Molai Mauro. The festival is being held for 2 days. In the first day of the festival, there were a total of 61 participants, of which 33 were male dancers, while the other 28 were females who had come from the adjoining areas of Molai and took part in this festival, while the next day, which is a concluding day, various dancers from various parts of Shillong and also from other districts had come to take part in this dance.
Kini kesat kala palat ya ka laipos dem mendah, but hadin ba ki jingsat ki bang ya pensat keleng-keleng ku Muhammadan he, hang ni Muhammadan Shillong Mauro, but cetai sumsau ni sumu sekali ye, ba ilayo e kini ka lumpung lakajong nakaba nakaliang usiem ba ka darbar yung ka himamlim kila ayangi. Jadi mentang ni kini ka lumpung kanang longgum ni, kajing persang kajongi hikalong ban nang penba penjanai penditanat susu bat kamtam ban pene krang ban ka syar kalong buku pieng bat kaman suk na mentaki nongan pecah.
In the heart of Shillong, the Assamese community came together to celebrate the traditional festival of Jang Bihu and Bihu Bazaar, hosted by the Shillong Assamese Ladies Welfare Club at the historic Assam Club in Laban. Amidst the vibrant Bihu dances and the aroma of Assamese flavors, various traditional Assamese items were also on display. The celebration of Jang Bihu holds particular significance, being the oldest form of Bihu dance traditionally practiced by Assamese women, both married and unmarried. This unique cultural heritage is predominantly observed in Upper Assam areas, particularly in Dhakwa Khana. The Voice of the People Party VPP held a public meeting today to campaign for its candidate Dr. Ricky Singkon for the Shillong parliamentary seat at Umsning. Party leaders Arden Mela Basaimoit, Bright Star Well Marbinyang, VPP candidate Dr. Ricky Singkon and other party leaders were present at the meeting. Speaking at the event, Dr. Ricky Singkon stressed about clean and impartial politics. He also stressed about employment, CUET and other issues. VPP President Arden Basaimoit and party leader Bright Star Well Marbinyang also spoke in the meeting.
Kadami, kalong, kabadon hakaya kajingkit kni, ka politics, kabangi kren kalong ka politics, kaban sandor ya kalong ya kalaway juga riba kajai penriu, ka politics kabakrem nyau siang kmat yano, ka politics hai ka politics, kabanya don senda bat upai ba, kataga ka politics kajogi, kabang menemuan tang sisian aga sansdem, nai kabanya don senda bat upai ba.
The State Disaster Rescue Force, police and the villagers today recovered the body of Maham Singh Sten, 38 years old, who hails from Klo village, Kirdem Ribhoi district. Sten and his son along with his friends yesterday went for a picnic to Umam, and while boating, the boat that they sat on was sinking. While trying to save the life of his 10-year-old son, he drowned himself. Speaking to Jeling Tamu, one of his friends said when the incident took place, he immediately shouted to the villagers nearby for help.
Iwan menin tradisional, iwan mudyawan banja pangatnya berpun berperlok. Yang kadang kuat melisa Shillong, yang sim tu perlok ni kewegeling, kisuli ibu ya istai arngon, lai bertrebar. Ternyata part ni sila pustang ili suya songkang tai. Kilawan pai yang terbaru insya Allah keling na, yang masih punya market setiang, kacut tak noi ka keling. Dan kata dapat ngamar sui betek noi keling, tengah super tanah yang niki tradisional. Kiwan rapat nang apa, sekarang teman rap ketika keling lain teli, kiwan merek wistai, dua yang na.
The annual Chat Sukra festival of the Panar people in Jaintia Hills concluded yesterday. The festival began with a formal inauguration at Minkoi Pirdi, Yongpia. Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla, Vice Chancellor of NEHU, graced the occasion as the chief guest alongside Padma Shri awardee Silbi Pasa, President of Sainright H. Toy and other official members. Traditional dances were performed by locals of all ages from 9 localities, including the participation from Sainright Shillong, Sainright Mulong, Karbi Troop Guwahati, Senkhasi Mauplang and others. The second part of the festival took place at Yongmusiang with Justice H.S. Thankyu, Judge of the High Court Shillong, as the chief guest. The Fabulous Family Store recently organized the Shillong Local Trade Fair at Old Saint Hall, Shillong. The main aim of this fair is to help and support those entrepreneurs who started their own business. Products that are being sold and showcased in this fair are handmade craft, ornaments, homemade food, pickles and other products. Here is a report.
In this Shillong local trade fair, most of the entrepreneurs are local entrepreneurs. Many of them have just started their business. Products that are being showcased and sold in this fair are clothes, ornaments, handicrafts and many others. Speaking to the organizer, Rila Akor Masar, informed that this Shillong local trade fair was started 3 years ago and they organize like this fair twice a month to give an opportunity to the entrepreneur and to showcase their products and sell them.
Mga Rila Akor Masar, ni lang ba ikong nadia iba di uno ja kali Fabulous Family Store ting la adon bati mentala asnam tam ting ju host ki fair bringing support ki local entrepreneurs te kalong ka dia penduk lang ikan
On the last day of the Shillong Local Trade Fair, DD News talked with some of the local entrepreneurs who are part of this fair. They all expressed their gratitude to the fabulous family store who organized such a fair. They said through this fair they can sell and showcase their products. Speaking to the owners of Trio store, Badapku Parping Group, said that this is a place where youth who have just started their business can introduce their products to the public and to strengthen their work that they have started.
Ketika dukan kepada Shmit Mai, ketika Trio, di filaban ini buat multi brand clothing. Naduk kijan cuti di brand of hair filaban yo. Ngasunggu pada ka fabulous family store, pakala organize ka program. Namar ngasunggu ba takini lemba kini events di program ini dalam ka activity ka business private businesses a Shillong. Mamanta gila sedang manmi ki konsamnar maga asang manput sap lemba jo ni ka event pada ngila promote kita kan. Tebon ki breakin one ki tip but nakto ka business ngi kan ya mate.
This market has caught the eyes of the public and many have come to buy things and take them home. While speaking to one of the customers, she appreciates the organizer who gives an opportunity to the local people to be part of this market, and also said that from this market, everything that they want, they can get them and at a reasonable price.
We came here like today itself, and it's kind of good. Like we saw a variety of clothes and all. It's good, quite good.
Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
And now a look at the weather report. Maximum temperature 25.2 degrees Celsius. The minimum temperature stood at 15.5 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 45%, while the relative humidity in the evening was 59%. The forecast tells us that light to moderate rain is likely to occur at few places. Before we wind up, a quick look at the headlines once again. Tri-Service Conference Parivartan Chintan chaired by Chief of Defence Staff General Anil Chauhan being held in New Delhi. Work is going for opening of expansion joint, says Chairman cum Managing Director MEECL Sanjay Goyal. Khasi Molai organized Kashat Sukmin Siem at Molai Moro. And annual Chat Sukra festival in Jaintia Hills concluded. With that, we come to the end of this news bulletin. Until next time, good night.